And all of this advice and all of this information on masks, on schools, and on testing, all of the work that needs to be done, that comes directly from the Ministry of Health, which has a minister, we believe, but we haven't seen him for weeks. And what we have seen from the Minister of Health is a study in incompetence. We need a health minister that's actually up to the job of protecting the health of Saskatchewan people, and Jim Reiter is failing that test. People in Saskatchewan have sacrificed so much. They deserve better from their leadership. And more, we have been hearing from people that they have real concern that Scott Moe's arrogant and dismissive health minister, Jim Reiter, is letting families down. And he's lost the confidence of health workers, of families, and of the public. Certainly lost our confidence as we've seen he's been a liability during the COVID-19 pandemic at a time when we most need a minister of health who is a leader. He was roundly criticized for his performance as COVID-19 started. He played arrogant political games, laughed it off in the legislature, tried to gaslight people about the plans for an election in the middle of a pandemic. He fumbled the outbreaks in Lloydminster and La Loche, sat on information about case increases for days, months later. It takes us and others pushing for it to get the province to even go back to daily caseload updates. And now, as cases spike, where is he? He's left Saskatchewan families flying blind, letting Saskatchewan continue to fall far behind the national average when it comes to testing, making it so much more difficult for us actually to talk about safe reopening of schools and the economy without that testing and tracing in place, leaving families, leaving people waiting weeks on end to be able to get their results. People all over Saskatchewan are working hard to fight COVID-19. We all need to keep pulling our weight to get this second wave under control. All communities need to be following the public health orders, and that's extremely important, but that's not the full story. We all know it, and that's why we're calling on Scott Moe to show some responsibility, stop deflecting blame for his government's failures, stop hiding his health minister, and demand that Jim Reiter do his job.